unboxing video of the UniFi G4 Doorbell Professional PoE Kit with Chime. You can see it comes packaged extremely nice, very well done. Here's the video doorbell. Here's the PoE connection. Here's the bottom camera with the illumination. The LCD display, the push button, and of course the camera, the main camera. Feels like metal, and it actually is metal. Has a reset button in the back. Okay, let's see what else we have here. We have the Chime, which this is also PoE powered, with the Ubiquiti logo right on the front. Has a nice cloth grill. And then we have the mounting kits. We have the trim ring for the PoE doorbell. So you can trim that very nicely. I'm sure this is paintable. Also have a wall mount option. Kind of like that here. Okay, so we have the two dots that line up, and you shut it or click it closed. You want to surface mount this. You also have the flush mount kit for it with the level. Probably not the best level, but something that's doable. It's got the little wings. You can mount directly to drywall. Hardware kit for it. Some anchors and screws. And let's see if I can get this back in here now. Okay. And what else do we have here? Let's see. Installation guide. A couple of wall-mounted plates. A flush mount bracket or surface mount bracket that fits flush to the wall. Also another bracket that could fit inside this box, or you can simply flush mount this bracket if you wish to do so. A level, and I believe you also get a wedge or an angle kit for the doorbell. So if you need to mount this doorbell on the angle, you can do that. Put the system back. Very well done, very well thought out. Okay. And there you have it, the UniFi Video G4 Doorbell Professional PoE Kit with Chime. I'm going to be installing this very soon, and I'll create a video just for that.